Hey there! Welcome back to our Food and Beverage series. Today we are unfolding the secrets of creating a stunning triple pocket napkin fold. It's easier than you think. Let's get started. Take a square napkin, fold it into half like this. Fold it again to make a square. Take one open end and fold it into a triangle. Take the second end and place it under the first triangle like this. Now take the third end and place it under the second triangle like this. Gently flip the napkin over. Fold like this and bring to center. Repeat with the second side. Flip the napkin over and your triple fold napkin is ready. Place the cutlery in the pockets like this. Don't forget to follow, like and share. Stay tuned for more. See you next time.